Over the past several videos, we've been creating this sample post, and it's almost ready to be published on our site. But before we do, it's a good idea to add this post to a category and assign one or more keywords or tags. But before we dig in, it might be helpful to understand what categories and tags are and how they differ. To better understand this, let's take a look at the demo site for 2019, which is the default theme we're using for these videos. Categories and tags only pertain to blog posts. So here's a sample blog post about the author's most memorable travel moments. Now, in this theme, the categories and tags for each post are displayed just below the post content, along with the author's name and the date this article was published. Categories and tags make it easier for your readers to browse your content by topic rather than just chronologically. So, for example, this post was filed under the category Travel. So we can presume that the author writes a lot of posts about travel, enough to warrant its own category. Now, in addition to being sorted by category, each post you create in WordPress can also be assigned one or more keywords, which we call tags. Tags are like a 1 or 2 word summary of your article, and this post contains 2 tags, inspiration and photography. If you think of your website like a book, categories are like the table of contents at the front, and tags are like the terms in the index at the back. So these tags enable your visitors to quickly find all the posts in your site that contain the same tag or keyword. And if you click any of these links, they'll open an archive page that contains all the posts that have been assigned to that category or that contain the same tag. Every blog post you create in WordPress is filed under at least one category, but you can also assign posts to more than one category if you think it'll help your readers. Now, by default, WordPress creates a generic category called uncategorized, which is not very helpful. So let's add a new category by clicking this link and then entering the name of the new category into this field. Each category you create may also be assigned to a parent category, which enables you to set up a hierarchy within your category structure. So if you were creating an online store, you might have a category for shirts. And underneath it, you might have subcategories like t-shirts or dress shirts. Now, this article talks about rocket-powered skates, and we'll probably write a lot of content in the future about rockets. So I'll add a new tag called Rockets, which will help our readers find all the articles on our site that have anything to do with rockets. Under the Posts menu on the left-hand side of the page, you'll find submenus for both categories and tags. Now, this is where you edit, delete, or even add new categories. Hover your mouse over any category name to reveal links to edit, delete, or view that category. And on the right-hand side is the number of posts that are currently assigned to that category. To add a new category, simply enter a name. Next, you can either enter a slug, which is the URL or web address for this particular category, or leave it blank and WordPress will automatically create one for you. You can choose a parent category, and if you do, any post you file in this new category will also be assigned to the parent category, allowing your readers to find that article in both categories. And finally, enter a description if you like, and then click the Add New Category button. Now, the Tags screen works in exactly the same way. You can add new tags here, or edit existing tags from the list on the right. The Bulk Actions menu allows you to delete multiple tags at once. And because you'll likely end up with dozens of tags used throughout your site, the Search option allows you to find a specific tag to edit or delete. So now you know how to sort and organize your posts using categories and tags, making it easier for your readers to find related content.